Now, if you're absolutely insistent that you have to have a Presta valve, that a Schrader's not going to cut it for you, you've got to have the Presta. I understand. Some people just want to have the stuff that's inferior. Just kidding. But the problem with the Presta is you have to have the pin, the valve, out of the way so you can get the slime in there. Otherwise, there's no way that slime's going to go through there. But the problem is you can't get it loose, right? So you actually have to break the Presta valve in order to get the slime in there. And the way you do that is take any pair of pliers, and once you get it, the top nut completely as loose as it'll go, and we're going to force it the rest of the way off. Now, some guys will tell you to screw it down and cut the tip off of this. I'll show you what they mean. You just cut the tip of this off, and that'll work. That can work. It's one way to do it. I just give it a couple extra twists, and the nut comes right off. In either case, you don't want to lose this little nut, and it's tiny. Oh, there she comes. Now, this is now loose and can be pulled into the tube. But if it gets loose into the tube, you're never going to get it back into that hole. So you saw me with my cute little pink clip. What I like to do is slide it all the way down. I can feel it right there, okay? And it's loose in there. Take the clip, put it right there. Now, binder clips work, but it needs to be something sturdy. Then, real simple, you just take the slime. Oh, wait, can't use the tube. Take the slime, take the tube off. And you just stick it right on there. Squeeze your 4 ounces into it. Once you get your slime in there, wipe it clean a little bit. Your clip is still holding your pin. Push the pin back out. Oh, there comes some slime. There, after long struggles, I have it. And now, that ridiculously tiny nut can go back on there. And this is why I like to turn instead of clip that, is because if you clip it, sometimes this is really difficult to get this nut back on there. It'll lock in place. If you pull on it, it'll lock that pin in place. And there you have your slimed Presta valve tire. Problem is, this no longer holds this on, so you have to be very careful not to let that nut come all the way off, or you're going to lose your valve. One more reason to like Schraders. If anybody says the reason you want a Schrader instead of a Presta is because of high pressure, I've regularly run 110 pounds on my tires, Schrader valves, and I don't have to put air on them every flipping time I go for a ride. So, there you go. Enjoy.